Are you looking for a powerful natural remedy that can smooth out wrinkles and make your skin look up to 10 years younger? Then get ready, because this simple kitchen combination of rice and olive oil is about to become your new skincare favorite. Rice has been used for centuries in Asian skincare routine, and for good reason. It is packed with antioxidants and natural compounds that promote collagen production, fade fine lines, and improve skin elasticity. On the other hand, olive oil is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. It deeply nourishes the skin, combats dryness, and locks in moistures. Together, rice and olive oil form a collagen-boosting powerhouse that can transform your skin. Here, I measured 2 teaspoons of rice powder mixed with water. You can use raw rice, wash it very well, then you cook it and blend it together with the olive oil. So I measured 1 teaspoon of olive oil, stir, then place it on fire for it to cook for about 10 minutes for us to get the consistency, which is the thickness. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we leave it for it to cool, then transfer it into a container. Then apply to clean skin. Make sure your skin is clean before you apply it, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Leave the marks on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week and watch your skin become softer, smoother, and visible younger over time. Say goodbye to expensive creams and harsh chemicals. Say hello to youthful, glowing skin naturally. Try this rice and olive oil remedy and let your skin thank you. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY skincare solution. And please do well to watch this video to the end and see how I apply it and the transformation I had on my skin. It's very amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.